Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you several ways how you can restore or recover already closed tabs in the Google Chrome web browser in 2025. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so head over to Google Chrome and there are two different approaches to this. So let me open that tab here with google.com as you can see. So just for the sake of this tutorial, let's assume I close it accidentally. Just like that by clicking to X. So there are two ways how you can restore that tab, guys. One way would be to use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-T on your keyboard, or if you're using a Mac, Command-Shift-T. So I'm using it on a Windows. So let me press Ctrl-Shift-T, and there you go. As you can see, the once closed tab has been successfully restored. That's one way how you can do it, guys. The other option would be to simply navigate to your browser or browsing history here on Chrome. Click into these three dots here. Navigate to, let me find it, history here, and here to the left you will see all recent tabs. So tabs you have just closed just a moment ago, and you can simply go through that list and simply open the tab you would like to restore. So let me go again with this one here, and there you go. As you can see, the tab has been opened again, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.